Let's make lavender bliss soap. First, I started with all my tools because soaping goes fast, so I make sure I have everything with me. I also will check the temperatures to make sure they are not higher than 120, but I don't want to go anything lower than 90. I add in colloidal oatmeal for a gentle exfoliation and kaolin clay to add slip, and I usually add that to most of my bars. I stick blend in 5 to 10-second bursts because I don't want to burn out my stick blender. And now after I've mixed the colloidal oatmeal and the kaolin clay, I'm going to add my lye solution slowly in there. And I always use a strainer just to make sure I don't get any lye solution soap bits in there. So now I'm just going to blend. I like to use two types of purple in my lavender bliss soap. So I use purple Brazilian clay and then purple ultramarine oxide. Purple Brazilian clay has benefits like anti-aging, which is going to help your skin look younger and healthier. So I really love adding that to a bar of soap. Plus, I like the earthy tone of the purple Brazilian clay. Also, I just added my lavender essential oil right at trace, and I'm just mixing it in with a spatula. I never use a stick blender once I put my fragrance in because I don't want it to speed up trace in any way, even if it's one of those essential oils or fragrances that behaves well in cold processed soap. I still only use my spatula to blend it. And here I am just adding the batter to the different shades of purple. I love using this old thermometer as my blending tool because you never know what type of swirls you're going to get, and I love the element of surprise. When there's soda ash, which there's not much, but when there is, I use a steamer, a handheld steamer. I put distilled water in it and I just steam the top bar of the soap before I cut it. And usually after I steam it, I'll wait about 15 to 20 minutes before I cut it because I definitely don't want it to be too soft. Cutting the soap is definitely one of my favorite parts of the soap making process because you never know what type of swirls you're going to get, and I'm really pleased with these swirls. I'm happy with how it turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and following me along on this journey. And for now, black hands are out. Bye bye, guys.